Hello, friends. Welcome to the Travel Talk. Touring India is a great opportunity to anyone, be it an Indian or a foreign traveler. It offers everything a traveler expects. India is not only an ancient country and civilization, but also a very fascinating one. The nature has bestowed all its bounties upon it. You have a beautiful Kashmir, which is called Jannat or heaven on the earth. The snow-laden sporty Gulmarg and charming Pahalgam cannot be missed by a traveler in India. The mountains of Himalayas, its forests, valleys, waterfalls, and rivers like Ganges, Yamuna at the one end to the beautiful Sikkim at the other have been the greatest attraction for all human beings. Sages, poets, authors, philosophers, and trek and travel buffs. The plains of India are full of history and monuments, ranging from Golden Temple at Amritsar to Delhi's Qutub Minar, Humayun's tomb, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, and Lotus Temple. Agra's famous Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Fatehpur Sikri are just mesmerizing. The whole of central India is dotted with rivers and temples. The beauty of Ghats at Banaras is unparalleled. The breeze of the Banaras provides godliness. The land of Buddha gives serenity and a spiritual upsurge in all the human beings coming in contact of the place. In all its attempts to decorate the landscape of India, there happens to be a common thread amongst all the wonderful creation of mankind. That is, the spiritual attainment of every individual on this land. There is an undercurrent here of worship of the nature, be it sun, moon, rivers, plants, animals, etc., which generates humbleness and respect to all animate beings. The forts and palaces of Rajasthan are just awesome. The temples of Dilwara, Mount Abu, Ranakpur are simply fascinating. Unbelievable carvings and architecture expressing ecstasy. The coastline in V shape provides all over its spread the beautiful sun-washed beaches of Goa, Mumbai, Kerala, and Odisha. The city of joy, Kolkata, retains its culture and traditional cuisine. The charming buildings of Bombay VT, Charminar at Hyderabad, and Bangalore's Vidhan Sauda are just fantastic. The vast temples of South India may awe-struck you. Venkateshwar Balaji at Tirupati, Meenakshi Temple at Madurai, Sun Chariot at Hampi, Rangaswamy Temple, Padmanabh Swami Temple at Tiruvananthapuram, the Marina Beach, the LAP's houseboats, and at the southernmost tip of India, the meeting point of Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and Arabian Sea at Kanyakumari provides a fascinating view. The human development in this country has been such that you find all over its expanse the ancient landmarks in the form of cities around the rivers, huge temples, forts, castles, churches, gurudwaras, and vihars. The abundance of nature, monuments, places of worship, flora and fauna, cultural heritage, and variety of food and drinks, and above all, the comfort of a stay all over the country makes India an attractive place for tourism. The Travel Talk is attempting to provide you an instant information and background material about all the places you want to visit throughout India through an app available on your mobile phones. Thank you very much. Wishing you very happy traveling all over India. The Travel Talk.